Yo, it's good, fam. So I was thinking about, mathematical variables and like which ones are good to use in equations. So this is part one. This is all about lowercase letters. Part two is all going to be about uppercase, but here's lowercase. This is something you do for fun. Like you can create your own equations for fun and solve them for fun. Because X and Y all the time, that's kind of boring. Right, so A is okay. Just make sure the stem is very straight and short. B is okay. Just make sure the stem is very straight. Don't use C, looks too much like a left parentheses. D is okay, just make sure this straight part, the straight stem is very straight. And E is okay, just make sure you know it's not the constant E. Okay, so F through J are all good, but with F doesn't look like anything, any number or anything, you can use it. G is good to use, just make sure your 9s are straight at the bottom. H doesn't really remind me of anything, good to use. I is really good to use. Just make sure it's not the constant I. J is dope to use. All right, now we're on K through O. K is dope to use, doesn't remind me of anything. Don't use L, looks too much like a 1. Unless you make it cursive and then has a body, then it's good. Actually, L is good. M is good. Be careful of N, it could look too much like the pi. So when writing pi, just make sure the top part extends. There's extension beyond the leg. And do not use O at all, looks too much like a 0. All right, now we're on P through T. Even though P looks like a backwards 9, it's good to use because it's to the right, not facing right, not left. Q also looks like a 9, but make sure you have a divot that goes up into the right at the bottom, then it's not 9. R is totally dope. Do not use S, looks too much like a 5. Even though T looks a lot like a plus sign, just make sure there's like a little curving thing upwards and make sure your plus is very straight, then it's good. Now U through Z, here's the final stretch. U through Z, all dope to use. Just make sure you're not using U and Z at the same time, and they both have the same problem or same equation. W is dope to use, X is dope to use, even though it looks a little bit like a multiplication sign. Just make sure you're not using the actual multiplication sign. Maybe add like a prong or 2 on it as well. And Y is dope to use, and Z is also dope to use. Even though it looks like a number 2, just make sure you have a prong sticking up from the top left and bottom right, then it's dope. Then it doesn't look too much like a 2. And that's all we got. Yeah, now you know all the variables to use, lowercase letters. Peace out. Hope you had a lot of good fun. I'll let you know if I missed anything, or you can call me out if I missed something. And peace out. More tomorrow.